A pickup truck versus a compact car. Now deputies say there was another element in that fatal crash, marijuana.
Tonight, an arrest in the case of the crash that killed a mother and her 2 daughters.
Kathleen O'Toole joins us live. And Kathleen, it's an arrest family members were waiting for, weren't they?
Yes, it is, Kristen, but traffic homicide investigators had to take their time, especially since this is quite an unusual case, one that could be extra tricky for prosecutors.
This is how a trip to school ended for Gertrude Daniels and 3 of her children. In the carnage, the Lake Park mother and 2 of her girls lay dead. And this little girl, Deja Daniels, suffered terrible injuries. She's still fighting today.
With 3 counts of DUI vehicular manslaughter.
2 months and a day later, deputies announce a major development in the case. 45-year-old Michael Smith is under arrest. Deputies say the Palm Springs mechanic was driving to work under the influence of marijuana when he plowed into the Daniels. It's the first time area prosecutors have a marijuana DUI manslaughter case without the presence of alcohol.
It's very difficult to prosecute DUIs with marijuana because typically it will show up in the urine and it's metabolite, so there's no way to actually determine how much marijuana you had in your system at the time. What's different about this case, it was actually actively in his blood.
Never straight just marijuana.
Criminal defense attorney Tama Kudman's defended plenty of DUI clients, but never had a case involving just marijuana. She thinks it could be problematic for prosecutors.
You don't have the same level of scientific certainty with a marijuana case as you do with a blood alcohol case.
This wreckage now long gone. Its impact, however, still felt on this little body and in many lives.
It's just a shame at that time in the morning somebody is trying to just do the right thing, take their kids to school, and good kids, good students, and to see something like this happen is just terrible.
Now, the forensic toxicologist who examined Smith's blood results say he could have actually been smoking marijuana while he was driving that morning. If he's convicted of all the charges, he's facing 50 years in prison and, depending on sentencing guidelines, possibly life behind bars. In the newsroom, Kathleen O'Toole, WPBF News 25.